Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today, I just got something for Groot. I'm gonna unbox it along with you guys. Alright, story of these is they came from my buddy. He travels a lot, and actually several years ago, he got me these Changfeng Leopard Q6 taillights that were specifically for the Changfeng Q6, which were in China. A little bit different than the stock Montero lights, but basically, Changfeng, just to go real quick, Changfeng is a Chinese motor manufacturing company, and when Mitsubishi ended the production of the Gen 2 2.5 Montero, they licensed to keep the tooling for the Montero to them. Basically, it looks like a Montero, but it has like a slightly different front end and updated interior. But basically, they came in these taillights. They fit the Montero, and he got me those several years ago. And I just got around to putting them on around Christmas. But he traveled again, and before he traveled, I just told him, hey, if you see anything cool, let me know. I'll give you some cash. And if you see something for my Montero, uh, try to get it for me. So he actually messaged me and he told me, hey, Kev, I think I found something for your Montero. These are fairly brand new. They just came out. I'm going to get you them. Uh, he's going to spot some of it, the cover. I gave him some money, but he said I'd consider it a Christmas gift. So I had to wait another month or so, and I just met up with him and picked them up. And yeah, I have not seen what's in here. Okay, all I know it's something that's new over there in China, right? It's for my Montero. I'm gonna unbox this, and the first time you're seeing these is gonna be the exact first time I'm seeing this. So, like I said, this is an impromptu video. This was not planned. Um, Once I got it, I thought, you know what, let's do a video. All right, let's see here. Go ahead and open this up. My buddy, I'm gonna give him a shout out. Ralphie, man, appreciate it. He's always come through to me for a few things. He got me a few things from my Gallants before through the years, and he came through with this. So when he travels, like to wherever we trip, especially in Asia, I always try to tell him, yeah, keep a lookout, see if you find something cool, and let me know, and then I'll spot you some cash or whatever to help me get it. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna open this up. All right. All right, let's see what it is. Oh my god. Okay, the audio kicked out. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, I had to readjust the camera. But all right, I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, let me take these out and then let me do that cinema looking like. Oh, hold on. All right. If you can tell, the sun's going down, and I'm losing daylight. So I'm gonna have to probably split this video to another day to give you more of um, a better look at these. But I'm not sure if the lighting is enough for you to see what I'm gonna explain to you. This is all LED. There's no bulbs. There's just one single plug here. So uh, obviously there's no bulbs. So I don't know if you are familiar with it. They're called infinite reverse holograms. So I'll put a real quick picture here what they look like. Basically, it's the lighting effect where it looks like when you look at these lens, the tail light is like infinitely going. Look at it. It's like it looks like a big like portal. If you get what I'm saying, I put a picture here on the screen for you to kind of give you an idea. That this is what it looks like because these look like lens. Just from what I've seen, I don't know what these look like until I install these and fire these up, and I'll confirm what I think they are. But these are two squares, right? And it looks like they're lit up, and I'm assuming they're for brake and driving. Um, there's a lens down here, which I'm assuming is for backup, and then we have a lens right in the middle of the two squares or rectangles, which I'm assuming is the turn signal. And then on the side here are one, two, three, six more look like lens, and I assume they light up too because this is all blacked out. So there has to be some light output out of this. Obviously to show your braking, reversing, and turning. So I'm still kind of speechless. I'm just flabbergasted how these look so freaking good. I'm so excited right now to slap them on the Montero. I just want to fire them up, but I'm losing daylight, so I might have to save it for another day and just appreciate how these things look like and just look at them. But um, I will install them, and I'm going to show you what these are all about. And literally, the first time I fire them is going to probably be the first time you guys see it too. So we're going to be experiencing this together. All right, it's a different day. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to install these tail lights so we can just make sure they fit. Everything buttons up, and yeah, hopefully everything when I plug it up, it matches with the factory harness, like as far as brake lights, driving lights, turn signals, backup light, all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm just excited to see to put the have these on the Montero, see what they look like. So yeah, let's go ahead and install these things. All right, guys, there it is installed. Um, it's pretty near OEM fit. Um, the holes slightly were off, but it wasn't a big deal. Other than that, everything went in pretty nice. Look, it matches the wide blister fenders, and yeah, that is I'm digging it. It completes the white and black look on the Montero. Uh, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the other side, and we're gonna see how this works and check it out. So there you go. That is the Infinity taillights installed on a good old Groot here. I'm very happy of how they look. They give Groot here, the Montero, a much more modern looking taillight design. Some of you are probably asking how much are these? Now remember, my buddy Ralphie got these for me when he went to China. I paid significantly less than what I found them for online. I through some research, you can get these from sites like Alibaba and AliExpress. And I'm going to be quite honest for you. If I didn't have my hookup, I wouldn't buy these taillights. They're price for these. I I would put it somewhere else on the Montero to improve drivability or suspension upgrade, or just something to make it more suitable for an off-road camping rig, the type of money that these are going for. Now, if your pockets are deep, go ahead. Um, and you're just aiming for aesthetics, your choice. That's all new. But for me personally, if I didn't have this hookup, I would have never bought these. But I have the hookup. My buddy took care of me, got me these, so I'm with these. So with that said, I don't know long term how these will hold up. The one thing that I'm not too keen is their LED. It's not like a bulb. When it goes out, I can just replace it. This is a whole LED unit inside, and I haven't really gone to it to see if I can take it apart to maybe fix or whatever. That is the only downside with these, and that's the one part that's kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to keep these on the Montero 365. Probably I'll put this seasonally, per season, most likely like the winter, fall season. Gets dark less. I mean, gets dark faster. I'm sorry. In the summer, I'll probably, like right now, we're approaching summer. I'll put back the Chen Feng tail lights because I like those too. I That's my only concern. If LEDs and any of the LEDs on this thing go out, I can't just replace a bulb. I would have to go, maybe replace the individual dioide. I don't know, but that's the only thing I'm concerned about. But other than that, these, I'm very happy with them. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing these, I will put links in the description where you can get them, and it's your call if you want to get them. But like I said, these things are freaking awesome. I just love how they look and the lights on them. So, but that's it. I'm glad you guys were watching this video, and it's a new product for us Montero guys, especially Gen 2, Gen 2.5. Oh, forgot to add, there is a version for the Gen 2 without the blister fenders, the narrow body. It just doesn't have this, doesn't go as far to, meet the body line for the blister fenders. So there is a version of that. So just a heads up. So there's two tail lights for the narrow body and the wide body blister fenders like mine. So just keep in mind that if you're looking to get this. But guys, I'm glad I shared this video with you. Leave a comment. Tell me if you like them or not. If you don't, sorry. I don't know what to tell you. But again, guys, see you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.